Hi, in this we'll see the bot challenge workflow, the new bot challenge suggested by Automation Anywhere. So the bot challenge name is Humanitarian Response Challenge. The Humanitarian Response Challenge is a simple use case or simple bot challenge, but it's good to have to reduce the time, how much fast automation we can do there. So I will run the code and we'll see how much fast it is. I'm clicking on run and we'll see the workflow and the how the automation is going on. I have basically used a JavaScript, not the normal web recorder and all. Normal web recorder is taking around 30 to 40 seconds to complete the task. We'll see hours how much time it will take to complete my challenge. Like for me, I have seen that it is taking average 2 to 4 seconds to complete the task. It's running JavaScript. So after running a JavaScript, we click on final and close. We'll see how much time it takes. So it took 3.56 seconds. I'm clicking on close. We'll see the code once. How the code look like. And the code is I will show you. First I am clicking on download files, then open the Excel and then open the challenge page. After clicking on challenge page, I am activating it again and I am writing one Java script on .gs, like the extension should be .gs, and I'm writing all the values that are essential for me. And after that, I am clicking on run JavaScript. I am giving that file name here to run the that particular file that I have created here. And one more thing we have to notice here is 1 minute. Yeah, one more thing we have to notice here is that we have to override the file. Append is not work. Append means every time it will keep on appending for each individual, like for first line item, then second line item. So it won't make sense here. So we have to override. After all, I will run one more JavaScript for the click submit button. I will show you how you can write the JavaScript, basic JavaScript. So you have to go here and you can click on, suppose I am clicking on last name and I want to know this property, so I will go and click on inspect and I can see that ID is customer last name. So if you will see my code, it's also the same. 1 minute. Yeah, you can see here, right? Customer last name dot value. So if you want email, we can see for the email also. You can see the ID is even. So I am selecting by ID. ID is my unique thing here. And for radio button also, there is an inspect or we have run the jQuery. I am not giving if else statement. I am directly clicking on running the JavaScript and the values, as you can see here, the values is still the yes. There is my code. Hang on. You can see that type dot equal to radio and that the value I am giving. So I am all passing through the variables. And finally, I'm clicking on the add button. At last, I am clicking on the submit button. Submit button. So, yes, if you want, I can show you the JavaScript code. Like, it will be for the last line item, right? I will click, I can't open it. I will go click and edit, and then I can see the code. So, this is basically my code. It's basically I am selecting by ID. Not every time the ID will be same or the properties, but for now, the ID is the same or the ID was the constant thing for individual item or the unique thing. So, I'm keeping it on that way. I'm clicking on close and I think this automation has helped you a lot or has given you how we can achieve in minimal time. Thank you.